All right, guys, my viewing audience and my fellow YouTube channel patrons, appreciate you turning in. So, what we got going on today? We had a little barn action here. So, we've scrubbed the doors, got the doors all scrubbed up, and we're going to put the Blue Tex insulation on those bad boys. Got like, I don't know, $700 worth of insulation. We're going to put that on this week. And on the outside of these doors, I've got the Jacor 2-inch brush system that's going to go in down here, and then up in the top where that big gap is, I've got the 3-inch coming. That will be here tomorrow, and we're going to do all 4 doors. That was like $800. So there's some money being spent. Got the Ford F-350 sitting here, and this thing had a 13-year-old clear bra sitting on it. Everybody else stupid enough to put one of them on their car? This thing has turned into absolute nastiness. Now, if you look at the truck, this is day 5. I've been 5 days into this to get this stupid clear bra off. I haven't buffed the paint. What's funny is it rained last night. This paint had no sheen, just water draining. And this part down here where I took the clear bra off was bubbling up and little water beads. It's kind of cool. I guess that, the clear bra did its job just getting it off. You can kind of see the thing here. I tried everything. I tried goof off, failed. I tried putting on some WD-40 to loosen it up, failed. I did a heat gun, failed. You know what I found work? Where is it at? It's that beautiful thing right there, the Florida hot sun. It's 100 degrees out here. It's 100 degrees in the barn in the shade. So Amazon, plastic scraper. So all I do, and you go through, a couple blades, but I'm not pushing hard. All I'm trying to do is get that a clear bra off the truck. Now see when it does that, when it skips, that is my cue to that razor blade is pretty much done and it ain't gonna work no more. So what we're doing is we're pulling up all the acrylic clear bra. Yeah, so that blade's done. So now you don't get too much out of a blade. All you can do is take it out, flip it over. Yep, two-handed deal here. And put it back in the scraper. There it is. So I got a new blade now. And then I'll be able to attack a little bit more. Oh yeah, that hurts in the middle of the hand. That really gets you going. All right, so we're gonna call this blade's toast too. So yeah, this blade's. So you get that much off. That blade's in the trash. Throw this stuff in the trash. I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this. All right, so you got the basic acrylic off, and now you've got the glue on. So right there, Amazon. It's like 15 bucks. I think I paid $10 for those razor blades. I got 100 of them. And all you're going to do is you're going to start right where you started and slow RPM. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not going to be that easy. But you get the idea. And that takes, you want to see that section right there? Let's do this section right here. Normally I hold it with 2 hands and it really does a good job. This ain't doing too bad. Normally doesn't bounce with 2 hands. So that's how you get the glue up. You might say, why don't you just put it right on there? Well, it don't do squat to that. it just laughs at it. So you got to scrape it off with the plastic Amazon scraper, and then you just get your rubber eraser wheel. I didn't buy the 3M one. This is the Amazon generic one, and it's got a line, so I still got quite a bit left. One $15 wheel, and I've done this whole entire clear bra, and the truck's looking really good. I'm almost done. I'm excited. So that's how you get rid of your old clear bra. Should have filmed this horizontally, but I didn't think it was going to take this long, so don't be a hater and tell me that I filmed it. I was going to make it a short, and the short turned into a long. Anyway, stay tuned next week. We're going to do the Jacor barn system, and we're going to do the my audience left. They went back over to the Joshua tree. Yeah. I guess they wanted some more cow pellets. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.